Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade. People, I want to show you another great winning plan I posted. I posted an Amazon update. We rolled into other options in Amazon. Not only did we make great gains in Amazon, I'm going to show you that in the video as well. But let's take a look at this one here. Okay, so let's go look at June 15th and what I said here. And I posted this intraday. Let's take a look here together, people. Let me click in this, open it up. Okay, so I said basically Amazon goes above 1722, one can enter into the June 22nd 1740 calls. The reason being is the other calls we were in were going to expire, so I wanted to roll out 1 week forward. Now, at the time, the 1740 calls, they cost $885, but the problem was they didn't confirm this particular day, but it didn't matter. We're able to get in a better price on confirmation. You know, weekly options, they don't hold value as well. You really do need movement, and you need to know what you're doing. So let me show you so here it is, right? This is June 15th at 1:39 p.m. and at the time the options were $875. Okay, so here they are on June 18th, Amazon confirming with the June 22nd 1740 calls at 8:50. Now, before we get into we look at the end result, what I want to talk about is that these options did go against and what I said inside of PowerGroupTrades on June 19th. Let me show you. So here I am in PowerGroupTrades. I said for Amazon, I have stops at 3.0 as it could still bounce back as long as that holds. Well, guess what happened, people? It held, right? The options went about as low as 380, bounced into the 400 area. A lot of people witnessed this inside of PowerGroupTrades, and of course, if you didn't hold, well, you missed out on the gains we did. You know, I was going to take a hit. Listen. Look at the gains. We made over 100% gains, 150% gains in Amazon. Okay, and I was willing to take a 50% loss in this case if had need to be, because see, the thing is, our winners are so great that losers like this can happen. Now I had multiple Amazon winning plans. Let's go see the outcome today of how much those options that cost $850 on confirmation are worth today. All right, taking a look here at Amazon, the $1,740 options, greater than 150% gains on large priced options from that 850 entry, greater than 150% gains here. And as you can see here, it's 12:13 p.m. It's June the 20th on this particular day. Okay, you can see that June the 20th, and it shows, you see, look on the box over there, people. There you have it, people. So there you have it here. Greater than, right here, baby. $2,500. Look. Power Trigger Trade. Powerstock.com. Let's go back to the video, people. Witness the power. Witness the power from start to end. From start to end. Easy 150% gains with your eyes closed here. Let's go back to the video. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. You know, people, like I always explained, like you just witnessed, greater than 150% gains in Amazon. And you know, that's why it's worth, you know, sometimes in order to win in this game, you need to know where to cut your losses. You have to be able to take losses, and if you just sell out of fear without putting, like I demonstrated, well, you would have missed out on those huge gains. Yes, the option, I could have got stopped out at $300 an option from our $850, but it ended up being, as you can see, over $2,300 in gains. Okay, so you see why you need big picture skills with a big picture expert on your side. Well, I'm proving it to you right now. Let me show you something else that's interesting here. I want to show you, we had a great month in Amazon, Teslas, Netflixes, you name it, right? You know, you name it, just great wins. Let me show you something. Just opened up my you know, videos, you know, all my videos, and you can see on June the 5th we had great large option gains, 100% gains in Amazon just a few days ago. You know, well, June the 5th, right? Great gains in that. Great gains in May for Amazon as well. May the 23rd. Google Help, winning games, you name it. Amazon again here, May the 7th. You name it, people. When it comes to the big picture, it is just nobody out there that does it like Power Trick or Trade. Absolutely nobody. They're just clowns compared to Power Trick or Trade. Yours truly. All right, people. Make sure you get yourself if you don't have a YouTube channel, get one. Come here, subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you one-on-one. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. You're going to hear me talk to you about that. Also, people, make sure you study this creative playlist. I'll be updating this creative playlist with a lot of great winning plans. I mean, I have to start so many winning plans. I have to take my time to, being so busy, but I have to take my time to update my creative playlist. But there's a lot of great information. Also, check out my my website over here. A lot of great detailed videos explained there. Listen, there's no one like this that's doing it like Power Trick or Trade. You wanna get inside of Power Group Trades. Come to my live streams. I explain how to do it. Study, study, study. I don't just accept anybody. You have to be loving my work and understanding what I'm about. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.